Hello. If you're wondering why you're just looking at a floor, it's because I've got something to show you. Something about Lego. If you're Lego people, you don't like Lego, click off and watch something else. Don't want you here if you don't like Lego. But if you're alright with Lego, stay on. And this is what me and my brother have built. Mostly me. Okay. Here it is. Just a quick zoomed out overview. Here it is. So basically, what is happening is that this side over here, like past that bit here, there's a few dead people, so they don't count. That guy there with the gun holding and he's bald. That guy there. Those guys here are attacking this base over. Let's zoom out. Hold on. Here. They're attacking this base. Okay. So these two sides have been fighting on for about a couple of 20 years. Okay. So they want to blow their base up and take it over. Okay, and that is what it's about. And like I'm just gonna have a quick up close thing. So here's like one guy holding like these sticks, and when you bang them together, it makes like sparks, and it blows up. And he's dead because he got stabbed in the head, and there's spikes there because he tripped over them and another spike, and he fell on that spike. And he's like carrying some explosives. He's carrying like a toxic thing and a gun in there for him. Well, he already has a gun. And that guy's got like a heavy gun. I'll come to that guy in a minute. Okay, now we're moving on to here. This guy's kind of afraid. He's got a shovel and a weird gun. This is like a Republic side, so they're like kind of poor. They don't have a lot of weapons. And this side is like maxed out. They've got so much weapons. Okay. And this guy stole their weapons. So that's what they want as well. And he killed all these guys here. All of them. I just take it. Oh. All these guys here. Okay. All of them there. Yep, and that's what happened. And then zoom out. Oh, we hate it when you have to zoom out. Yeah, this is like their base. Basically, that guy there, he's like climbing on the ladder, and he's trying to shoot them. And see that radio right here? That's like a radio. One of these has like an earpiece. Him. Ooh. Whoops. He's like standing on like rubber things. There you go. Tires. And everybody knows that this guy, he just gave up on life. And that's my brother's hand. Say hi. Okay. Yeah, so he just gave up on life. And this guy is he's a kid. He's got a broom because he was doing chores, and he was sweeping this stuff up as a good boy. And there's just like weird stuff here. And then these guys, just that guy there and her, she's running to go to there because they heard the thing go off. And yeah, let me show you what she looks like. She's got two like hammers sort of, and she's got like a chest piece, a heavily armoured chest piece. That's her. And then him, he's got like an axe and a shuriken. He's got a helmet. We was thinking that he could go rogue, and this bit here, this piece here, was over there, but we decided that we need to put them there because otherwise this big like green bit here is just an empty bit. So we didn't want that, so we just added them. And now the scientist. Right. This is the bit where I need to zoom out. And what he's working at. He's got a computer and some bio things. That's just that. If you want me to do a detailed review, tell me. And this is the scientist. Got hair, crazy goggles. Hold on. And there he is. Right. And here is our thing. And this is going to be a quick review. Right, and as I said, in the end, we're going to showcase this fabulous guy. This machine gun, right, what he's holding is a heavy machine gun. And guess who made it? Me. Hopefully you can sort of see that. But I made it. This machine gun, if I just grab it. Oh no, I broke it. Oh, it's not good. There you go. This. Let's just get it in my hand. This machine gun. I made it. And it's got a scope. Yeah. And it's got a turret. It's just a turret. Like, it's easy to make. All I made it with is with this piece as the nozzle, and like, you know, that piece there connected to this brick here that has, like, you know, the three sides, and I got like a brick that has like the two knobs at the end, and I stuck that on, and I got this piece. That piece there, that weird shaped piece, is just for decoration. And that piece there. Now, moving on to this guy. This guy has got sunglasses, got ginger hair, and he's got a gun. And he's wheeling it on a wheeler. So that's him, and he's got a radioactive thing. All these guys, by the way, is holding a radioactive. And that gun right there, that is holding him. He's got a radioactive gun on the end. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. If you want me to do more reviews, please smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Peace! Goodbye.